How to download fonts to Cricut. For computers. Step 1. Quit your Cricut Design app. Step 2. Download your font. Step 3. Find and open the downloaded font on your computer, then click on Install. Step 4. Open your design space, click on the text option and type a random phrase. Step 5. Select the text and click on Font in the top toolbar. Step 6. Click on the System option to use the font. Step 7. In the search box, type your font name and select it. For mobile phones. Step 1. Go to your favorite font website and download your desired font. Step 2. Open your files and go to Downloads. Step 3. Tap the downloaded font's zip file to unzip it. Step 4. Open the font folder. Step 5. Tap on Select in the top right corner. Select the OP file, then tap on Share. Step 6. Share the OP file to iFont. Note, you can download iFont from your App Store. Step 7. Tap on the Install button next to the font. Step 8. Select Allow for the website to download a configuration file. Step 9. After downloading the profile, tap Close. Step 10. Go to Phone Settings, then tap on Profile Download. Step 11. Tap on Install. Step 12. Open your Cricut Design Space app and tap the text option. Step 13. Tap on the System option, type your font name in the search bar and select it. Step 14. Write a random text and tap anywhere to see the font you added. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.